So I just want to make a quick clarification about the color of projects within the year screen or the system as a whole. So in previous videos, we talked about the red versus red color of the projects. Now, do remember that if the line is over the project, then the project is not yet over. And then the color of the project is whatever color the lowest checkpoint is. But once the final project gets submitted, whatever color the final product gets overrides the color of the checkpoint. So that's the same thing as some of the other videos. But I just wanted to clarify that in order for a project to stay red after it's been due, that's only going to typically happen if the project was not submitted or it's very off track. So typically, if the project has been submitted but has a low grade, like for example, this math grade here, which has no notifications, right? So we're talking about that in the previous videos. You actually says that you have things below grade level, or the same thing in this one skill below grade level project, then the project will be yellow. So on the year page, if you have projects which are yellow, which are passed, that's not good. That's usually an indication that at least one or more skills were below grade level for that project. Now, if you have a project that's red, like this one, that usually is an indication that a final product was not completed at all. And in math projects, the color of the project is actually the color of the test. The portfolio problem, even if it's a yellow or red, may not affect the final color of the year screen project. This still matters that you turn in portfolio problems, especially in years where it counts, but it's the project's the final assessment or the unit assessment that actually determines the overall color of the project. So this student here may have not gotten any credit for the final assessment, does not submit it, did not do it, and that's why it's red. So typically in the year page, you will see yellow for projects which are below grade level, not red. So yellow on the year screen for a project that already passed is no good. That's basically what I wanted to say in this video. But remember that if it's a project, you do have an opportunity to improve your grade in future projects, so long as the same cog skills are seen again. In math, though, you have to make sure to do something to make up for that grade, whether it's a test correction or a retake or an extra portfolio problem, whatever your teacher offers it, because the grades for math projects are permanent. I hope that makes that clear. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to be talking a little bit more about grades.